In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment on a YouTube video. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to make sure your comment actually posts and is easy for others to read. First, open your web browser and go to the YouTube homepage. Make sure you're signed into your account, because you can't post comments without being logged in. If you see your profile picture or initial in the top right corner, you're good to go. If not, click there and sign in with your usual details. Once you're on YouTube, find the video you want to comment on. You can do this from your home feed, your subscriptions, or by using the search bar at the top and typing in the name of the video or channel you're looking for. When you see the video you're interested in, click on its thumbnail or title to open the video page. Give the page a moment to load, then scroll down a little bit below the video player. You'll see the video title, the channel name, and the description. Under that, you'll find the comments section. Look for the box that says Add a Comment. This is usually right at the top of the comments area. Click once inside the Add a Comment field. As soon as you do, the box will expand and you'll see your profile picture on the left and a blinking cursor, ready for you to type. Now go ahead and type your comment. It can be feedback about the video, a question for the creator, or your thoughts on the topic. Try to keep it clear and respectful so it's helpful for both the creator and other viewers. If you make a mistake, you can use backspace or delete to fix it, just like in any text box. When you're happy with what you've written, look for the button that says Comment just below the text field. If the button looks grayed out, it usually means you haven't typed anything yet, or you've only added spaces. Once there's real text in the box, the button should become clickable. Go ahead and click on Comment. After you click, your comment will appear below in the comments list, usually right at the top under Top Comments or Newest First, depending on how the section is sorted. If you spot a typo or want to change something afterwards, you can usually hover over your comment and use the edit or delete options provided. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully commented on a YouTube video.